Today we would like to show you some Japanese food from Fuji City, Kyoto, Osaka, and Kobe. This is birthday cake, Japanese birthday cake from Fuji City. Birthday cake from Kyoto. It's really beautiful. Some special sashimi in Kyoto. The fish actually was kind of alive. Deer sashimi from Fuji City. Sashimi lunch from Osaka. Horse meat sashimi from Fuji City. This is really special. Shellfish sashimi from Osaka. Quite fresh. Sushi lunch from Osaka. Very delicious. Sushi lunch from Kyoto. Fish was really fresh. Barbecue snail from Kyoto. Of course, famous Kobe beef from Kobe City. It's quite expensive, over $350 per pound. Fugu sashimi from Osaka. Fugu is kind of special fish. It's poisoning, so needed to have special chef to handle. Fugu meat for barbecue. Fried fugu. Fugu soup. Fugu sake. This is a quite big dinner from Fuji City. Japanese tea from Kyoto with cake. The cake actually quite special, and there are gold thin layer on the cake. Thank you.